Let us do combination sums when at least is present in the question. 5 letters are selected from the 9 letters of the word. You came across a word, first good practice is write each letter has come how many times in that word. The letter T is present twice. Next, the letter O is present 3 times. Next, letter A is present once. D present once. S also present once. L also present once. From these 9 letters, you need to select 5. Clear with the question so far? Okay. Find the number of different selections if the 5 letters include at least 2 O's and at least 1 T. In your selection of 5 letters, there has to be at least 2 O's and at least 1 T. Okay. I get multiple options. Let us write all the options in a table form. I should have a column for the letter O and also for the letter T and also for the remaining letter, that is other letters, and my count has to be 5. Clear? Now, at least 2 O's means it has to be greater than or equal to 2 or more. At least 1 T means greater than or equal to 1. Clear? Now, satisfying these conditions, I need to write the number here. The numbers here should satisfy this condition, and also the count of these 3 numbers have to be 5. Clear? Let us see how many such options will we get. If I start with at least 2, he said, let us say I have taken 2. Then at least 1, let us say I have taken 1. So these 2 letters should not be included again. So from the remaining, I need to select how many? 2 plus 1, 3. So here it has to be 2. Then only the count will be 5. And the other letters are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So one set of numbers I have found. Let us see for other option. Let us say I kept 2 here and this 1 has been increased to 2. Then this has to be 1. Then only the count will be 5. Step by step, proper organized way, increase the number such that you don't miss any option. Now, here if I again take 2, I cannot make this 3 because there are only 2 T's are present. Okay. So that means all the options with 2 O's are completed. Did you understand? Now, I will increase this count to 3 and here at least 1, so I take it 1. So here also it has to be 1, then only the count will be 5. So this set of numbers satisfied the condition. Next, let us say I kept 3 here and I increased this count to 2. Then this count has to be 0. Is the total 5? Yes. These 2 numbers satisfying this condition? Yes. So even these set of numbers are also accepted. Many miss this, but it is also satisfying the condition. Okay, next. If I take 3 here, here also if I take 1 here, which is already, if I cannot increase this to 3 because I don't have 3 T's. So what that tells me is with 3 also I have completed. So now I cannot increase this count because there are only 3 O's. From that my conclusion is only these are the options satisfying this condition and the count. Clear? Now let us write for each row. Here you see in the first row. Earlier there were 3 O's, you are taking 2 O's. Earlier there were 2 T's, you are taking 1 T. No issues with that. Over here only the selection will be used. From the 4 different letters, you need to select 2 letters. That can be done in 4C2 ways. Same thing here. These O and these O's are same. So you don't need to put any selection for this. Only here 4 different letters, you need to select 1 letter. That can be done in 4C1. Same here, 4C1. Same here. From the 4 you don't need to select any letter. That can be done in 4C0 ways. Now it is either this option or this or this or this. It is or between them. So you need to add to get the final answer. So add all this, that will give you 15 to be your final answer. Did you understand? In combinations, this is same, you are taking them. So you will not write 3C2, that will be wrong. Had this been all different, then you would have written 3C2 into 2C1 into 4C2, like we did in other sums. But here they are same. So you should not do like that. From different, you are selecting to 4C2 only. Okay.